This machine has come equipped with an option that has not normally been found on our machinery in our 990 series previously. I told you earlier we had the ability to do a 5/8 inch radius hinge as well as a 1/4 inch radius hinge, and we've always been able to do that with a 3.5 inch hinge. This new machine now, with the technology that we've added on the cylinders below, which we'll show you in a second, has allowed us to now be able to quickly, easily do a 1/4 inch radius, 4 inch by 4 inch hinge, and quickly and easily clean out the whole entire hinge gap, so you can either use a radius hinge or for corner squaring on a 4 inch hinge. And we do that with the push of a button. And Corey, if you come down here, the reason we can do that is the new cylinder stacks that we've added both here and on our pre-drill assembly to enable us to get the router into that position. Brand new for Kval on this machine. What I'd like to show you now is our ability by our push button screen to quickly and easily change over from a 6/8 hinge door unit or 6/8 height door unit to an 8/0 height door unit. What we do is we turn our front section of the machine off, bring up our back section, which is set for 6/8 right now, place it into 61 inch mode, re-enable the front section, remove the second jam clamp, we take out the 6/8 pin, we put in the 8/0 pin, move number 2 jam clamp up to the 8/0 position, tighten it down, clamp our door in place, place our jam in, and we're ready to go. As you can see, I'm in the 1/4 inch 4x4 inch hinge mode, and I'll cycle it again so that you can see what the time difference is between a 4x4 hinge and a 3.5 inch hinge. I'm going to select 5/8 radius, 3.5 inch hinge. Bring our jam clamps in and we'll check the cycle time on that. As you can see, it's substantially faster, a larger router bit, and it's less passes through the machine. We walk around to the back side of our machine now. This is the side of the machine that we do our lock bore drilling, our backset drilling, as well as our faceplate routing for the backset. What makes this machine unique to any other 990 series machine that we've built in the past is we've added a ball screw on top of the machine to allow us to easily, quickly change from 6/8 to 7/0 at the push of a button, or from 7/0 to 8/0, and very quickly back to 6/8 if we wanted to. That's what makes this machine so unique, and our ability to quickly and easily change over in less than 20 seconds from a 6/8 to an 8/0 door. We have what looks like our standard 6-shooter hopper up above, but it's got some new features which we've just unveiled last year at the NSDJA show. We added a new button up here, which is our load and unload button, which is the white button on the very top. We've added a series, we've actually split the hopper now so it tilts in two. We've added a series of cylinders up above that will allow us to open the hopper up and completely evacuate all the screws. To start the sequence, we press the white button one time. The back hopper door will open. The screws come out, follow down through the tube into the steel bin that'll be placed here. And once the screws are out, we place it, push the button again. We're ready to put our screws into the hopper. Once we have our screws in, we push the button again. The machine will automatically load the screws up there for the 6-shooter complete. The last feature that we've incorporated into our touchscreen technology is a management information system. We now have the ability to tell how many total doors this machine has run, how many total doors in a day's period of time, as well as how many machine hours have been used on the machine, so you can quickly and easily plot your maintenance program on our machinery.